want to thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, please check me out on Instagram. The link is, my name is right down here. The link is down below. I literally post daily pictures on makeup, fashion, and all my upcoming videos, so you will never miss out on anything that I'm up to. And as well, easy way to reach out to me. So let's be friends on Instagram. Also, of course, do not forget to leave a comment down below. I honestly love to read all your great positive comments. I love them. They make me shriek out loud sometimes with how excited I am just to talk to you and hear from you and just learn from you. So let's all learn. And also with this wig, this is a first for me, so I feel like I'm definitely gonna need some tips from all of you about these 360 wigs. This is my first one, and I've never really played around with it, so this is actually gonna be like my first time really kind of playing around with it. So I need your assistance for my further wearing of the 360s. So this wig right here is from divatrust.com. All the information, of course, is down below, including coupon codes. Go get those coupons and save some money and be fabulous. Remember, my absolute rule for life is, it is your absolute right every single day to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you can be fabulous, and if you want to be fabulous, be fabulous. It's your right. So just rock out with it. So let's get into this. So this wig, like I said, is my first 360. Here it is right here. It is from ZURY. I do love me a ZURY wig. So this is gonna be very great. She is in PM 360 lace NIA. I think it's NIA, N-I-A. It's a hand-tied human blend. So there is a mixture of synthetic and human hair, of course, is optimal if you want a little bit more of a natural look and feel to it. So this is also in the color of blonde. So what is the deal with these 360s? Of course, it's free parting, just like the 13x4s, but these are like a step further for the fact of, I don't know if you can see here, but you can do a bun, you can do a half up, you can do a ponytail, you can do all that with this wig. So literally endless possibilities. So this takes, like, for me, you know, wigs go in steps. You either have like the straight, the curved parting, like just the one where you cannot modify the part. Then you go to the 13x4s, free parting. Then you upgrade to the 360, which means you can go any way, including vertically. So that's what's gonna be very interesting about this. So I'm excited. Also, there is natural baby hair with this wig. Let me just whip this puppy on out so you can just see this blondie. And she is pretty blonde. So, oh, can I pull this off? I don't know. So I kind of picked this outfit because I felt like she was like kind of vintagey with these beautifully soft waves. That's what like really attracted me to her, were these beautiful waves. And then of course, you can see here, these are the baby hairs in front here. And then let's just look at the wig. So let's look at the construction. So of course there is all that front lace right there. And also these wigs are, since there's more lace to them, they're more breathable, so your head will breathe more. And then actually, let's see if I can like just whip this out like this. So there is of course lace all around. All around, all around. I don't know if I'm doing a good job showing you guys the inside. I did notice, which was, you know, a lot different than the other wigs with the ties, is that it has a much shorter amount that you can adjust it to. So that is a smaller adjustment. I really have it on a super tight setting. Sometimes I feel like if I'm not sure about a wig, like it's just because it just isn't tight enough sometimes. Like it's just too loose on my head. Okay, now there also are 2 clips on the side here, and then there are 2 also little baby clips on the very, very bottom. So if you were gonna be wearing it in a half bun or ponytail or whatever, that would be really good for that. So yeah, so let's just take another look at it. She's a decently medium to long wig, I'd have to say. What do you guys think about this? Okay, enough of me chatting. Let's put her on. So of course I have my wig cap here. I have it in nude. I got from Amazon. I bought a 10-pack. It was $5.99 for 10 of them. And of course I always recommend just getting 10 wig caps if you choose to wear a wig cap, because they go missing. You know, you just don't know where they go sometimes. I mean, they are very inexpensive, so it's okay. It's okay if you lose one, or if you misplace one, or one falls between the couch cushions, whatever. Okay, I got my wig cap on. So let me back it up a little bit here. I'm in a different spot. Okay, whoa, whoa, look at her. Whoa, man. I almost think she's, you know, honestly, it's like I almost feel like she's too warm for me. But let's work with her. Sometimes you just gotta move it around to really get the full vibe for her. Okay, I also feel like maybe this is something I need to know. Oh, maybe I just need to move this thing around here. I was getting this, maybe it's just how it's parting. See, kind of like matty weird here. But if I move it like this, it almost goes perfect. But I feel like she doesn't have she's missing that real parting, like a little bit, you know, a lot of times they'll have like a 6 or 4 inch parting, so it looks like she really only has, like I said, I'm new to this, so help me out, everybody. Looks like she just has like a couple inches before she changes her direction of the hair. Okay, so let's just take a peek. Maybe that's what my problem was before when I first put it on. I was kind of like, I don't know about this. I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh, I mean, she is like a serious blonde. Can we say dream? Look at this, whoa. I mean, she is vintagey gorgeous. I mean, that right there is beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, okay, so what about this, guys? Let's see. Now this is probably where I am not sure how all these beautiful girls put this up. Maybe I would just need to put it, and also I never put my hair in a bun. So let's just pretend like I know what I'm doing. I have my hair tie. Like I said, this is all super fast, so I'm sure if I was really gonna be doing this, I'd spend more time doing it. So let's just do a little turn here. I just quickly, as you saw, just put that up there. Nothing crazy. Clearly I'm not a hairstylist. So, and I also don't have long hair anymore, so I am out of the long hair loop for sure. Okay, what do you guys think about that? And then also, let's pretend, can we do, let's see if we can do like a halvesy. This is kind of cute. What do you guys think? This is kind of cute. It's kind of growing on me. This blondie's growing on me. Yeah, so this is the side I normally part my hair on. So I would think this is the ticket. So let me know what you guys think about this. This, of course, is from divatrust.com. Oh, let's put it on this side. Ooh, so this is definitely giving a more vintage pop-up. Whoa, this is almost like, can I say it, Anna Nicole Smith? I do feel like her in her glam days, when she was glamming it out and rocking it out. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think? This is a game changer. Let me hide my hair. Ooh, oh my gosh. I really dig it. I think I'm gonna have to wear this today. So again, please reach out to me. My Instagram account is down below. Please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And also give me some tips about how you work these 360s. And send me some photos. Like if it's easier to send me on the Instagram me the photos. I would love to see you and your wigs and your favorite wig and your favorite blondie wig. Maybe you have a great vintage wig like this. I wanna know about it. So let's reach out to me. And again, thank you for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button and of course, hit the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So we will see you soon.